Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A15 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. After that, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit Allow a couple of times and then select your files. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section below Enter the key. Copy all of those numbers, and when you finished, hit Download after Watch Ad to connect. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up after closing an ad. Over here. And last but not least, point your Android camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!